Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Doodle to set up a scheduled meeting. So first I just typed in doodle.com right here and it brought me to this page. So I will press create and I'm gonna just press group meeting. So after it pop up, it's gonna say enter title. Well, step 4 is what's the occasion, and it says enter title, add location, add note. So I'm gonna say for the title, business meeting. Add location. I'm gonna just say Google Hangouts and add notes. I'm gonna say mandatory. So continue. So right here it said what are the options. You can use the month, the week, or the text. So I would just say the 7th. Alrighty, so right here it has a poll setting. So they can put it right here, say yes or no if need to be, or limit number of votes per option, limit participants to a single vote or hitting poll or whatever. So say we have a survey basically and you wanted to get some ideas or anything, I'll probably say hidden poll just so everything is confidential since it's a business meeting. So you can also tell the participants who you are. So right here you just put your name and your email. Alrighty, so press finish. Alrighty, so basically you are is a business meeting and I basically set it up, and via Google Hangouts that's where the meeting will be at. And in the notes I put that it's mandatory, and then say if I have a poll or anything saying if you can attend or if you can't attend or anything like that, that's the poll they'll be for. I have 0 participants, so yeah. And you can also sync it to your calendar to set it. So for October 7th, Monday, it'll show that that's the meeting or whatever, and you'll just press it right there. If you cannot attend, you just press it and just send it off. But yeah, and you can also send this link with everybody too, and they don't have to have a account required or anything of that matter neither. So say I want to go back. So I can also change the location to a conference call, the phone, Skype, online, Zoom, or I could just say to be defined in a later date. So in the notes, it'll probably say to I'll let you know by a certain date or anything of that matter. So yeah, that's how you would set up a scheduled meeting in doodle.com. Thank you.